this is Annie from the QuickBooks team. The QuickBooks Desktop Payroll Setup Wizard walks you through setting up your payroll items, including common deductions and paid time off. Let's go over how to set up and assign payroll items to employees so you can run an accurate payroll. To start, select Employees, then Payroll Setup. You'll need to make sure you've added at least one employee. Select Company. You'll see a list of pre-selected compensation items. If there are items you don't want, select the toggle in the Status column. You can add these pay items to your employees by selecting Assign to Employees. If you offer your employees medical, dental, vision, or other insurance, select Insurance Benefits. Select Add, then select the insurance item from the Insurance Benefit Type dropdown. Let's set up a pre-tax health insurance item. You can also add a payment schedule to your health insurance provider if needed, and then assign to your employees once done. If your employees contribute to a retirement plan, such as a 401k or IRA, select Retirement Benefits. Next, you can set up sick or vacation paid time off if you need. Select Paid Time Off. Let's set up vacation time. Select Add. From the Paid Time Off type dropdown, select Paid Vacation Time Off. If you have any other payroll items such as wage garnishments, mileage reimbursements, or other deductions, you can add these in Miscellaneous. Here, you'll see a few pre-selected items, or you can select Add and then select your item from the Miscellaneous type dropdown. You can edit the name of the item once it's set up. And that's it! Now you have your payroll items ready to use and add to any future employees. Next, we'll show you how to set up your company taxes.